Hello and welcome to another video. Today I show you how you can change the window wiper blade on the Bolt EV and which adapter you need. You can find many different wiper blades than the standard ones that come with all the cars that have a better performance according to the season and weather climate you're in. Let's go. If you're new to the video, please subscribe. Let's go. First thing you need to do is press this with your thumb and then gently push it forward, while with the other hand you pull this out also gently to remove the original wiper blade. As these wiper blades are heavily spring loaded on the screen, make sure you put under a towel in case this shoots out of your hand, that you don't crack your own windshield. Once you have removed the wiper blades, observe the original wiper blade, see what the adapter looks like, and then get the closest matching one from the set that they give you. If you're not sure, you can also look on the internet, or here on the back there's a bunch of car models, so you always select the right one. Once you've identified the right adapter to go with the master wiper that's on your device, you want to slide them in together. If they don't slide in exactly, then tilt them just a bit until you can click it right in. You may want to check also the package if you need to adjust on the wiper blade and put also a different adapter. So not only an adapter here, but also an adapter here. If you study the drawing very clearly, you can see exactly which adapter from the package it is. Once you've identified the two matching adapters, just click them together and then you can slide it on your fixed window wiper. And once you click them together, make sure everything is nice and tight and pushed in. And there you go, you've replaced the standard window wiper with a more high performance Michelin wiper, and now we're going to be comparing the two. Before you test the window wiper blades, make sure that your car screen is nice and wet, so you don't immediately dry wipe these new wiper blades. Let's see how they perform against the standard Bosch ones, these new Michelin wipers. Yeah! I'm quite happy with the result. They clean very well, there's no more striping as on the other side. Check out Amazon Garage, enter your car and see which wiper blades you can get for every season or climate that's best for your car. If you liked the video, please subscribe and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.